So I just really wanted to thank you and Houzz for how great our kitchen renovation turned out and for making it a great experience.
I've been renovating kitchens for the last 15 years, so I know it can be intimidating. I use Houzz with all my clients.
I probably spent months saving photos from Houzz and just collecting ideas. Finally, I used Houzz to find kitchen remodeling pros. I read all about Gina's business and I could see photos of her past projects and read reviews too.
Houzz helped connect us and get on the same page for her renovation. Plus, Houzz gives me the tools to run my business and gives clients like Kate a great experience.
She gave me a detailed estimate that I could review and approve online, and a dashboard where I could see our project timeline, progress photos, and every financial decision we'd ever made, anytime, day or night. My husband really loved that too. Join the more than 65 million homeowners using Houzz and find the right pro to give you a great renovation experience. That's Houzz.